Hey there, in this tutorial, we'll go over how to create assignments on the KWL Hub. Let's get started. On the Hub, you can create assignments from one of two methods, either one from the Assignments menu, or two within the interactive text. Let's go over each method. Method 1 is from the Assignments menu. In your teacher account on the Hub, navigate to Assignments and then click on Create Assignment. Click plus to create a new assignment. Enter a title for your assignment. Then, choose the assignment type, either graded or ungraded. Optionally, you can also choose to enter an assignment category. We recommend using categories to help organize your assignments, for example, homework or quizzes. You can also click the plus symbol to add a new category. You can also add an optional description or optionally upload a file. Next, select a book title from the drop-down menu. You'll see the complete contents of the book appear in the selection menu below. For example, here we'll assign some activities from the interactive workbook. To the right of each chapter, click the arrow drop-down to view the list of activities available. Each activity will also show you whether it is auto-graded or manually graded by the instructor. You can also click the small eyelet symbol to preview what the assignment looks like ahead of time. This allows you to see and even experience the process of completing the activity from the student perspective. Click on the checkbox next to each activity to include it in your assignment. You can choose as many activities as you'd like, even from different sections of the book, allowing you to truly customize your assignments. Before we finish this assignment, let's take a look at the assignment settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right. These settings provide you with even more custom options. Click the switch next to each setting to toggle it on or off. The Allow Activity Skip feature will allow students to skip an activity and then come back to it later. The Assignment Summary feature is a useful option for providing students with immediate feedback on their performance. Students will receive a short summary of their correct, partially correct, or incorrect answers after they submit the assignment. Turn on Shuffle Activity if you'd like to randomly shuffle the order of the activities. Keep in mind that questions grouped under the same activity will always stay in the same order. Next to Time Limit, you can enter a time limit in minutes for the entire assignment as a whole. You can also turn on Multiple Attempts, which allows students to retake each activity in the assignment a set number of times. This applies to each individual activity in the assignment. For instance, if you choose 3, students will have 3 opportunities to complete each of the activities. Finally, you can use the Custom Message feature to create custom messages for students based on their grade range. For example, if a student scores between 80 and 100%, you could send a message like "Excellent job." Or if their score is between 50 to 100%, you might write something like "See me in class." You can click the plus button next to New Message to add multiple feedback messages, and the system will automatically display them based on the student's score. Once you've finalized your activities and settings, click Create Assignment to save your new assignment. Note that creating your assignment does not automatically assign it to your classes. To assign it, you'll need to go to the Assignments menu, click on the check mark, and then assign it to your class. You can choose to assign it to a class, to students, or to groups of students. Then select the due date and time. Finally, select whether you'd like the assignment to be available to students after the due date. Once you've finished, simply click Save and the assignment will be sent to students. Next, let's go over the second method for creating assignments from within the interactive text. To create an assignment this way, simply navigate to Content and My Books in your teacher account. Then, click on the book you'd like to create an assignment from. Keep in mind that you can see the entire contents and structure of the book from the left-hand menu. You can click on any section to expand it. To assign interactive activities, you will primarily be using the Interactive Student Edition or the Interactive Workbook. You'll also find some assignable activities that are available under self-check quizzes and the assessment program, such as the IPA assessments. For this example, let's create an assignment from the Interactive Student Edition. Click to expand the contents, then click on the unit and page you'd like to view. After viewing the page, you can easily create an assignment from it using the Create New Assignment button in the top right corner. Click to choose between a graded or an ungraded assignment. The assignment menu will open and all of the activities on the page you chose will already be pre-selected for your convenience. You can also remove or add any activities using the checkboxes. To finish creating your assignment, simply enter the rest of the assignment details as normal, including the assignment title, an optional category and description, and any additional settings if you'd like to apply them. Click Create Assignment in the bottom right to finalize the assignment, and click Yes to confirm. You'll then be immediately prompted to assign it to your classes or students as well. Complete this page as normal, selecting the students, classes, or groups you'd like to assign to, as well as your due date settings. After completing, you'll receive a notification that the assignment has been successfully sent to your classes or students. While you're working on an assignment, if you'd like to save as a draft and come back to it later, you can click the X in the top right corner. When prompted, click Yes, Save to save as a draft. You can view your current drafts under the Drafts menu. Simply click the draft to finish working on it and complete as normal. We've now covered both methods for creating assignments, either from the menu or from within the interactive text. Thank you for watching and happy learning.